If you're planning to start a business in Delaware, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Delaware even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why choose Delaware for your LLC? Well, for one, Delaware offers a business-friendly environment, and these businesses choose Delaware because of its well-established and predictable corporate laws. Speaking of that, one of the biggest advantages is tax savings. Delaware has no sales tax, which can significantly reduce operating costs, especially for online or multi-state business. Delaware offers a strong asset protection. That means it's designed to protect business owners, helping separate personal assets from business liabilities. After that is choosing a name for your Delaware LLC. Now, let me tell you that your LLC name must be unique in Delaware, including LLC or limited liability, or you can use L.C. Now, to check the availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Delaware Division of Corporations Name Search. From here, you just have to search or enter your desired business name. If there are no matching results, the name is available and you're good to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Delaware requires every LLC to have a registered agent with a physical address in the state because they receive the legal and government documents and they must be available during business hours. Now, if in case you don't live in Delaware, you'll need to hire a registered agent service. We highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they handle all of the work for you. After that, the next thing that we need to do is to file the Certificate of Formation. This is essentially the official step that creates your LLC. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Delaware Division of Corporations website, complete the Certificate of Formation, submit it online or by mail. Now, the filing fee is around $90 and the processing time is usually a few business days with expedited options available. Once approved, your LLC is officially registered in Delaware. Next up is creating an operating agreement. Now, Delaware does not legally require an operating agreement, but it is highly recommended because it clearly defines who owns what percentage of the company and how profits and losses will be distributed among members. On top of that, the operating agreement establishes clear procedures for making decisions and resolving disputes in the future, which can help prevent misunderstandings. And of course, it helps ensure your business runs smoothly and avoids potential conflicts in the future. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now, this step is very important because under a new federal law called the Corporate Transparency Act, most LLCs are now required to file a Beneficial Ownership Information Report, also known as BOI report, with Appointing, which stands for the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So what does this mean? Basically, the government wants to know who actually owns or controls the business. So it helps prevent things like fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activity. With this, with the simple filing, but skipping this step can lead to penalties, so make sure you don't overlook it. So once it's done, you're officially compliant with the new federal transparency rules and one step closer to running your LLC with confidence. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Delaware. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple and beginner friendly. So let's start with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is going to be LLC. It displays the state where you're forming your LLC, which is Delaware, and the total cost before payment. Think of it as your checkout overview. Now, the Company tab basically collects the details about your business, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notice to your attorney, and the business purpose, if you wanted to put in, you are also welcome to do that. It also includes the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. The Management tab is where you define how your LLC is run. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you run the business, or manager manage, which means if you want to hire a manager to run your business for you. Now, if you don't know the management type, all you have to do is click the question mark icon here, because this determines who has authority to make decisions for your LLC. And if you wanted to add members or managers, you can do so, but don't worry because Northwest keeps this private where allowed. After that is going to be your contact detail, which is going to be your personal information, your name, the phone number, country, and mailing address. Now, don't worry because Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of legal documents, give you account access, and this information is not made public. And then the account setup is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. You can set a password, provide your email address, and confirm the login details. Now, once set up, your account lets you access the state documents, receive compliance alerts, and view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, after that is going to be the business identity. It helps you establish your LLC's official identity. Now, this is going to be an added service because, as you can see, you can try this service for free for 90 days. And then, remember, these are going to be some optional add-on services. You have a tax ID, and if you have like a social security number, it's going to be cheaper for $50. And if you don't have an SSN, that's going to be expensive for $200. Now, you can safely skip these if you prefer to handle them by yourself. Last step is going to be the payment, where you complete your order. It includes your credit or debit card details. You can review the total cost, and of course, the confirmation before submissions. And once paid, congratulations, because Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Delaware, which remains one of the best states, especially if you're planning to scale, attract investors, or operate in multiple states. Its business-friendly laws, strong legal protections, and streamlined filing process make it a top choice for entrepreneurs. That said, If you are running a small local business, it's still important to weigh the ongoing costs and compliance requirements against forming in your home state. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.